How are you? How was your day?
Right.
This is your
Right.
food.
This what? Comfort. Why do you always dress like this? Eh?
How did I dress now?
What kind of dress is it? Why do you always like to come this side, come this side, come this side? Eh? See. Are you girl there? Why do you always dress like as if you are old age mama? What is wrong with you?
Is this not nice?
What do you mean? Is it not nice, madam? Eh? What if a visitor is following me from outside coming now? They will see you dressed like this. Àwọn ìyá oníbọ̀lì àtẹ̀pà. Like àwọn ìyá aláta.
There's nothing wrong with this dressing now.
You don't know how to wear. Carry your food. Carry your. I beg, take your.
No, that one doesn't warrant you shouldn't eat your food.
I beg, leave me. You want to give me water? Say you give me small water. I beg. Let me go and find something to eat.
Just because of dressing, you don't eat it again.
Nonsense.
That is something is wrong. No, it's not this because of the dressing. Hey. What has dressing got to do with food? Now what for this man? I don't understand him anymore. I don't understand him at all.
Make this woman do quick now. Eh? Where is my food? I'm really hungry. Eh? That one wear no dress where you give me food. I know it. I come here. Well,
Take.
But is this where we eat?
Are you hungry? Or
I thought you will serve me on the dining table now.
Or you want to eat dining table? This is food now. Eat, Joe. Please.
Okay.
Complain too much every time. Dining table.
No problem.
Is it food you want to eat or you want to eat dining table?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't mess my
What is this?
living room now.
Is this food?
Of course, you can see it's rice. Behave yourself.
You cook this kind of food?
What are you doing that for then?
The food has no salt. Even the stew self, it look like the sacrifice that they made to the gods.
What are you talking about? You know how long I spent in the kitchen cooking this?
Cooking this one. Wait, do I look like Ogun to you that they are making sacrifice to?
You are very ungrateful.
Me?
You want to eat or you don't?
Do you eat this kind of food?
If you don't want to eat, give me my food.
So, this is... What kind of woman are you?
What are you talking about? I don't understand.
Is this the right way to cook for husband?
If you don't want the food, you say, then you go back to your wife. You think your wife can cook like me?
My wife?
Yes.
How dare you talk to my wife like
dress
that?
like me?
You don't
touch me.
Yeah.
Yes.
You slap me.
And I will slap you again.
Because you cook food when no good and they tell you slap me.
Stop saying that because I know your wife can cook more than me.
You are talking to my wife?
Yes. Does she dress like me? Does she knit like me?
Will you stop that nonsense?
If I don't, what will you do?
What right have you to talk to my wife like that?
Slap you again.
You will slap me again?
Yes.
Hey! No problem. If you see me back here again, call me bastard.
Whatever.
Call me bastard.
Go!
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
My life. Woman never slapped me like this from my birth. Since I was born, woman never slapped me like this in my life. Even Even woman where I find where they say I marry put inside my house. Eh? She never slapped me like this. Now me woman slap like this. Ah. Eh? Me will be say my wife put food for table for me just because she no dress well. I vex come out and I come meet this woman here and see the way she slap me. Food wey she cook sef, e no even sweet. E no sweet. Hi. Men dey suffer o. Men dey suffer o. Men dey suffer o. Hi. Okay.
You know what, Auntie? Another thing that I just want to tell you is, and don't look at me like I'm young. That's what I'm saying.
No, your advice. No, I know. Say you have a very brilliant person. So, I know anything you advise me. If I follow it, it used to work.
Okay. So anytime your husband is at home and you just finish having your shower, spray some really nice perfume, put some really cool powder on. It doesn't have to be foundation. It could just be white powder and just kind of like touch up a bit, do your lips, do your eyes, make your eyes talky, and just be doing fashion parade in front of them. You will see that it would not want to go out. Trust me.
Thank you. Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
How was your day?
We thank God.
Okay. Enjoy your food.
You see? No be food be this. Eh? My wife know how to cook. Eh? Kai. It be like say God don't destiny and say I go receive slap today for that idiot self. When she can't dey behave somehow to me. I never received slap for my life from my wife hand. That idiot house. If not be so, wetin we men dey find? Wetin we dey look for self? That look very nice. Eh? Eh? Because she no dress well. Do I supposed to vex, leave the food because of that? Supposed to give her money or take am go for shopping. Come buy correct clothes wey we dey see from women wey dey for outside. Put am for my wife body, let her look and touch her up. Eh? I only need to tell her how to dress. Simple. Because of my anger now, I go receive slap for one useless idiot house.
God.
Hey. Nothing no go happen to me again. It good make we men, we married people, make we dey admire wetin we have. We know they know say we carry gold for hand at times until when we lose it. Eh? That one just fine for nothing sake. She don't know how to relate to person. She don't know how to behave. She just slap me. Comfort can never dare slap me. Eh? No be food she cook where they eat so. Try. Anyway, I've learned my lesson. The food sweet like this. Where I live, I say at the vest. Go meet one idiot. When she come to take advantage of me, they slap my face. Like say I'm the houseboy. Idiot. If she see my leg for her place again, make she use cutlass cut am. Supposed to hold our home tight. We know they know the value of our women at times. Until when we lose them, before we know say we lose gold. I've learned my lesson, though. I've learned my lesson. we're supposed to know the value of our women. Even though our women no dress well, we're supposed to let them go for shopping, use money, touch them up. Let them look like the kind of women wey we dey see for outside, wey dey make us dey do totori face. I've learned my lesson. You know how to cook very well. The only way you have now only this dressing. I learned my lesson. Oh.
Cinechroma Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy.